Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE X97 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on backup. And as you can see, we will be immediately transferred to this whole Google One section. So simply tap on Add Account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. From this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the add symbol, because as you can see, after tapping on next, your device will autofill it. So right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Of course, you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. And let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the information about the backup itself. So as you can see, you're able to use 15 GB of the Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, if you want to, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will backup the data automatically whenever it will be connected with the Wi-Fi. Will store it securely, of course, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on turn on to finish. And here we've got again the kind of like backup section. So you can check how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage, of course, so remove some files, etc. Here we've got the backup details, so what already has been backed up. The advanced settings, I highly recommend to keep this option turned off, because thanks to this, your device will backup the data only by using the Wi-Fi. It will not use the mobile data. So you can be sure then that you will not be charged for reaching the limit, etc. So in order to finish, all we have to do is to simply tap on backup now, and as you can see, your device will back up the data. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to enable the Google backup in your DOOGEE X97 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.